In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to upload your newly created dashboard to our report and dashboard scheduler for scheduled email distribution. First, let's navigate to our dashboard builder. And let's go ahead and load the dashboard that we created in the previous video. From here, you'll want to save this XML document to your desktop. So navigate to Save As. We'll give this a name. Then we'll navigate to our report scheduler. Inside the report scheduler, you'll want to add a dashboard. Select from the hamburger menu to your left. Then select Import from XML. Click to select an XML file. Navigate to your newly saved dashboard. And then click Open. Finally, click Import. Once the dashboard is loaded, navigate back to your hamburger menu. Click Save As. Give your dashboard a name. I'll call it Test Quarter Dashboard. Then select a category. I'll put it in Cost Reports. You can give it a description and a revision comment if you'd wish, but I'm going to skip those and just click OK. Now the dashboard is saved to the dashboard and reporting server. To start scheduling the distribution of this dashboard to select individuals, navigate to your Scheduling tab. Click Add Job. Input a name. I'll set it as Test Quarter Dashboard. Select the document. The document is the dashboard that you just saved to the reporting server. So let's select the Test Quarter Dashboard. Select the retention days. This just means after this job is ran, it will retain this document on the server for X amount of days. So I'll just set this to 1 day. Then click Next. At this point, you can set the start date, which will be today. And we'll go ahead and set this to 4:40 p.m. for current. You can choose to repeat this hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. We'll set this to hourly for test purposes. And then we'll repeat it every hour. You can choose to end the repeat on any specific day just by clicking on and then selecting the date for which you wish the report to stop sending automatically. We'll just leave this at never for now for test purposes. Then click Next. In this menu, you can choose what document format you wish to be sent. So for test purposes, we'll choose Attached PDF. Then click Next. Then in the Email Recipient menu, you can choose which recipients you wish to add to this distribution list. Or you can manually enter your email addresses in the box below. We'll click Next, and then click Finish. Your scheduled email distribution has been set. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Nsight content. And thanks for choosing Nsight Analytics.